M-Class Peel and Present Sensor Installation. The first thing you should do when installing any option is to turn off your printer to avoid burning out the circuit boards. The internal rewinder can be used with a Peel and Present applicator to rewind label backing, or it can be used to rewind printed labels for future applicator use. We're going to install the rewinder for use with the Peel and Present sensor. If your printer is not configured for Peel and Present, you'll need to add the assist roller. First, remove the front panel and loosen the screw to remove the tear bar. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the side plate. Then, remove the bearing cap and the hole plug. Insert the assist roller, gear first, into the printer. Pivot the other end of the roller into the bearing block. Insert the bushing completely into the bearing block. While holding the assist roller bearing plate against the center plate, replace the bearing cap. Hold the bearing cap in place and secure it with the screw. Replace the side plate and start, but do not tighten the screw. Ensure the leveling cam is loose, and then close the latch and latch the printhead assembly. While pushing down on the printhead assembly, pull down on the side plate and tighten the screw. Open the Peel and Present mechanism and install using the enclosed screw. Feed the labels through the printer. Remove 5 or 6 labels from the backing. Place the labels over the sensor using the media clasp, attach the label backing to the spindle, and twist until taut. Close the Peel and Present, then feed the ribbon back through the printer and close the printhead. Turn your printer back on. Press the menu button and scroll down to Printer Options. Then hit the Enter and scroll to Peel and Present and hit Enter again. Select Mode and Enter. Then select either Automatic or Enable and Enter. Print a test label by pressing the Test button. Select the test label and press Enter again. Enter the quantity and press Enter.